megalayapost.news.
Kinong ilam ke NPP jirang blok mentakesingi kilap pengkubrom ya baksa sensutun badai UMLA badai MDC ke jirang balalong mentaru kum Menteri Sarkar badai pej katanat Community and Rural Development manha ketika singi bakilap pengkubrom kila kerpat ya baksa sensutun ba undang trei bah shushu omtang ya ke jirang konstituensi Henry ya ke riboy bad ya paj ba ke jelah ibarwe ha ketika singi bala pelong ya ke jing pengkubrom kinong keren bad ki badai ru kinong ilam ke NPP jirang blok kila penpau ba sesutun ulai ke jing syukri ke babha nak bantah ki paj ba jirang konstituensi ha ke baki snong ki thau kila kaladur nadu bau ba sesutun ulalong kum unum hikmat paj ba leng ba jong ketika singi bala pengku borom ya ba sesutun kinong ilam NPP lembat kinong ilam snong nak snong ba per kila ai da jing ai subha ba per harengkan ke jing kit bob keryang ba unang la shushu ban ai ke jing syukri ya ki paj ba ya ketika jing pengku borom ya ba sesutun la pelong haing dorbar ke snong new jirang ha ke bala ki dak jindon lang kinong ilam ke NPP jirang blok bat riboy bagentup ya ba Balawan Simyong General Secretary ke NPP jirang blok uba Lor Syai Karnayor General Secretary ke NPP riboy kinong kitkam ke NPWF kinong ilam snong lembat sibun ke rirong ba jong ketika than riboy setni uba sesen setun ha bakren ha ketika singi ulopen pau ke jing sungu ya ke jing buku borom bat bola airu ya ke jing kular ba unang teribah shushu ha ke ban sekri ya ke pai ba kata om tang ya ke jirang konstituensi Henry ya kari boy madia ki pai ba ka jelahi bro we
sincerely express my sincere gratitude for having me here today, Jirang Block, to share your jubilation, your joy, as you felicitate our newly inducted Cabinet Minister who hails from Jirang Block, Jirang constituency. As a district leadership, this is what I would like to share with all of you, dear NPP family members of Jirang Block, about Sir Sosiles Sotun. I wish to say he deserves to rise higher and higher in his political career by virtue of his humility, loyalty, party and his passionate service to the people of Jirang Block in particular. NPP leaders, therefore, and supporters, you too deserve to be elevated and become the influential face of the party in Ribhoi. Your faith in Sir Sosthenes Sotun has paid off today. He has made all of you, all of us, proud by getting included in the Council of Ministers as a cabinet minister in the government of Meghalaya. You should all feel like small ministers. But one thing, keep in mind, don't abuse your ministership. As a district body, we are grateful to you, Jirang Block. Because of you, we have a well-deserved minister today. Yet still, this is our humble request as a district to please continue to support and to stand by Sir Sosthenes Sotun as your leader, as your MDC, your MLA, and as our minister, to help him, to enable him to continue further to serve you, to serve Ribhoi, and to serve the state of Meghalaya as a whole for many more years to come. As we have given the opportunity to our late Dr. Didi Lapa, we have served Ribhoi for so many years. I think it's high time that we turn to Sir Sosthenes Sotun and we give him also that privilege to continue serving us for many years to come.
Hari kapon ni don ru ini paralog lukuni bayawan nang batna da ni ya don hame kampun ya kaban ya simbatalang tapi no ni lokang kilokuni ibabli bom na engre da simple ya kajin yo katadang kaburum jadi NLA jami ya baru masuk dalam tapi ngasmo kami kapon ya kaban kajin yaro ya i kami insan jami ibarat kami insan jami ibarat baru kalian bagi hati pon baru hati pon ibarat kursin ipon ba ni dokang dari ikloy banwa menerap dari insana ken yang kata jin sistem ni insana ken yang kata jins guna kajongi ilawan ni menerap dari kursin ke nama dari jin he dijampi ikam dijampi di operation esa habane kapon kaminta isuku syaiba tajira ko sutensi lengkap kajong i karatin dan syaitan kabangkang halon ba yang kali nasung sarong kunti no kesha joli ba kunjuru bilas kimpa kajik sekumen hale ko na kunta kapurong dan terdam kaba isa NLA belum joni iawan rak syakadong kakhan joni kumbapi wan bal ay miskin baper kumbapi ogret di school di office baper kuntasa yang nama belum joni ruka ogret kakak songan
berkunjung dari jalan ini ipaipa agak konsensi baru ngapong tanggi bakersanya na banyak tibayu bagi maupun ipun kaya kulay yang kata kejunong minister nama hakin pun terigisnya menurunkan anjar nyo gamas nakai kebai lead jini rumbai pangkuai kulay lampung chief minister kebubur Bahat Umatang Nagaland Asoga MDA 2 Agilam sa koras kisama Railat Yo Emily Jobi Ban Yeron Mang Cabinet Kini syukuran Bat dengan susarong Nagamata kejungi baru iwe Bat nakilan cuma Ngasu kampat bukan datang Ngan ha'ab Ngan ha'be Bat ngan ha'ban bisyaknya Ngan ha'ban pensitom milade Banang kristom ng tremila Kuno pangana Bansim Leleman ay Kajisyapi Bapatang Kumunisa Nganong plet Bagabu Akmat di baru iwe Pilih Kibara Punjab Yang election Aki atli election Badai Bajunti Bang dari Kepurom Jom ke konsensi Kedui Niyok Menta Bat Tunggu Emily Bat Tunggu Priu Gano'n maangklet Nak ketelong Kapangangan
MegalayaPost.news